heart. He has a beard, and he really likes beer and cigars. And it's pretty meta to put a summary in a section labeled self-summary, but that's how he rolls. And he's decided that playing the passive game is the best way for him to find a foxy day. And I agree, but my profile has just gotten weird, and I can't pour the life for me grow a beer. And even though he calls himself the Viking, his aesthetic is particularly striking. He swears too much, and he makes stuff up, but that's all part of him. It's all part of him not giving a fuck. Not giving a fuck. And even though he says he doesn't really like to brag, he calls himself a pretty fucking awesome dad. And I hope to be an awesome father like that one day, and write songs for my children every day. And I must admit that I was a little taken aback. In his 6 things, he lists one of them as his man bag. And I thought it over, and I'm pretty sure he's referencing his balls, which is cool, I guess. And even though he calls himself the Viking, his aesthetic is particularly striking. He swears too much, and he makes stuff up, but that's all part of him not giving a fuck. Not giving a fuck. Not giving a fuck. It's weird to end a song on fuck. My mom watches all of my YouTube videos, so I think she'll probably be mad that I sweared at the end of this one. Sorry, Mom.